Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing my first luxury review on my channel, and I recently just bought a designer purse for myself last year in October 2021 as an early birthday present. I decided, like what the heck, it's been like a really past last 2 really cruddy years, and I wanted to treat myself, and I was like, finally I can, I saved up the money, I can buy this purse that I like. After doing like a lot of extensive research, I really found the purse that I like, and it's actually the YSL Toy LouLou. So that's the bag I'm going to be reviewing today. So I'm just going to talk about like my likes, my dislikes, how I style it, and how I actually upgraded the bag to make it look a little bit more stylish. So let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we got to show the box for the authenticity, because these days everyone can kind of front. I love the branding with, of course, it has the barcode. Open it up. We got, the authentic bag, dust bag for it. And of course, me being me, I kept all of the info tags because of course it's my first designer purchase. So of course I'm gonna keep all the random tags to make sure it's legit. So here is the bag. Okay. Yeah, I love the bag. So yeah, what I really love about this bag, it's that it really helps me not pack too much stuff into a purse. I used to be extreme bag lady, having everything in my bag that I'm like, oh my God, I need this for emergency. I'm gonna die without this. And I had to force myself to get out of that kind of mentality that I need to minimize everything, whether it be from my closet to what I wear or what I buy. So small bags have really helped me enforce that kind of minimal mindset. So first, obviously it's black and gold hardware. I'm very biased. Gold looks really good on my skin tone. It really depends on your preference for the hardware that you choose. But I think personally, the YSL purses look really good with gold hardware. Not that much of silver. It's really depending on your choice again, but very classic to me. It goes with all my jewelry. Of course, it's black. It goes with all my clothes. Of course, it has the authentic YSL, very branded stitching, so it's YSL. Even into the hardware, I love the hardware. Gold has all the Saint Laurent imprinted into the clasp, and of course the logo. It's very minimally done, very tasteful, very simple, minimal aesthetic that I like. I'm very new to having the envelope flap. I'm not sure how I still feel about it. I don't really like that it doesn't close properly, but we'll go more to that in dislikes. Once again, it really fits everything that I need, and it's a bag that you can grab and go, style with pretty much any outfit, and it instantaneously looks better and you look very put together. Not to mention the leather on the bag is very, very strong. Haven't had any scratches so far. Very durable. It looks very supple. It maintains its shine. I do have a lot of other leather goods, leather boots that I wear for fall and winter time, that I know how to take care of properly. So I'm really good at taking care of the leather on that front. But so far, I've been using it for 3 months. I have no issues with it. The actual strap that it comes with is more of a skinny strap, but it has the gold hardware on it. Very, very strong. It fit a lot into it, but then not too much. And it carries a good amount of stuff what you need. And also I would recommend not putting too many heavy things in it, because of course it can pack the strap and also the clasp, but it is what it is. Is how you use your bag is how you're gonna get your money's worth. So what I mostly disliked about the bag was just the width of the actual bag. Wish it had a lot more space for weirdly shaped objects, more circular objects. It's more suited for a rectangular wallet, your phone, or other cards that can go in it, or things that are just really thin and can easily fit into the card slot pockets, or the zipper itself that comes with the bag, that it's at the back of the bag. Other than that, I think the only drawback would be options for straps that designers could have given customers. But again, you do get what you pay for. It's not on the crazy expensive end of an actual YSL bag, I would say. But again, you can also do, you can change your straps and you can accessorize it a different way. I'll show you guys how I did it in a later part of the video. But I also want to show you guys what exactly fits in it. So I'm going to open it up and show you what actually fits in my bag. So hand sanitizer, sunglasses, we got my wallet, keys, some lip balm, my phone. So this is the iPhone 12 that fits in the back pocket. And the things I was taking out previously were from the front pocket. So what fits into the zipper pocket is just really simple, really flat things. So I have blotting papers, I have coupon, random, and I have my 2 different shades of like lipsticks that I like to carry around. So that is pretty much what you can fit in it, depending on, again, what the items that you're putting into the bag could be different from mine. And basically it just has the simple compartments, one simple divider, and you have the 2 compartments there. One thing I also noticed too is that I did keep the sticker on the actual clasp of the button clasp of the bag, because I noticed that it started to have a little scratches when it has the click, and that's the only downside, I would say. The hardware in that area could scratch a lot more than the hardware that's on the attachments of the strap and also like the logo piece. So I gotta watch out for that. So moving on how to actually style and upgrade a simple designer bag or any like designer bags that you have in your collection. So I actually went on Amazon and I found this really great, also kind of antique looking gold that matches the hardware of the YSL branding on the purse. Originally ordered something that was more of like a yellow gold and it looked terrible. It actually ended up looking a lot more cheap, because with costume jewelry, depends on like the tone, it could look a little bit cheaper, or it can look even like worse quality than you paid for. So I ordered something wrong in like the first place, then I found this one from a vendor on Amazon. So I'll be sure to link below the vendor where I bought the actual chain link to match the YSL Toy LouLou. So originally they came into 23-inch length, I believe. And so I ended up buying 2 pieces, took a pair of pliers and made it into about a 38-inch length, including the clasp to attach to the bag. So this is a really good tip, especially for this bag, if you want to look a little bit more luxe. So I attached the strap, and as you can see, it really elevated the look of the bag. Goes from like super simple to going out look, or something a little bit more luxe or like bougie. Really depends on the kind of style strap you're looking for. It could be something a little more chunky, something a little more smaller. Really depends on your taste. And I did use this for more of like the holiday season. I got a lot of great compliments from like people, like friends and family. I got a lot of comments on like my Instagram, like DMs, asking me like, you know, where did I get the strap, and like, oh, did you purchase it with it? Did it come with it? So this is a really, really great way to easily customize your purses that you have, or just even upgrade a bag like this. So as you can see, it definitely looks like a totally like new like upgrade. A casual outfit look a lot more fancy or a lot more expensive, I would say. So that's one plus of upgrading the strap. So another way how I upgraded the strap as well, I just made it a little bit shorter. I found this trick actually on Pinterest, and I think it was like via like TikTok, but you can crisscross the strap inside of the actual purse, make it a little bit shorter so the strap sinks into one of the compartments, crisscross it to the overflap here, close it. You have a newly upgraded shorter strap length without not altering it or having to buy a new strap just to adjust the length of what if you want a shorter look. So this is how it looks with the shorter strap. So right now this kind of like length of strap is really popular for like the baguette bags. So it's really easy, even if you like having a longer strap, but this one a shorter style for going out during the day or easy access, you can definitely just open it and reach your items a lot closer. It fits closer to your body so that it makes you feel like a little more safe when you're carrying on your bag. But it does give it like a brand new look, and it elevates the bag in a different way as well. So that's pretty much all my opinions on the bag. I think I'm a little bit biased because I just got like super lucky with like the first designer bag that I decided to purchase. But it's been really great using like this bag. Can't really say anything else like bad about it. Love the quality. The hardware is amazing. Very versatile. Just easy to like throw on and go. I don't have really that many issues with it. I do have a wish list of other YSL bags that I really like. I believe it's the YSL, like I think it's called a sunset bag. I'll put it in here, the ones I'm talking about. But maybe in the future I might be investing into like other bags. It really depends on if I really like the brand, the aesthetic, or like really what it stands for. But right now I really enjoy like using this bag. Yeah, other than that, I love it. I think if you really want to get into like dip your toes into like the luxury market, try smaller bags out of like different brands and see if you like it. And if you don't, you can always return it or choose a different style from like different company. But it's always good to have a bag that you have one standout piece, that it really fits your aesthetic, you feel comfortable, and you feel okay spending that amount of money on it. Because if you're not, then you're not going to be comfortable wearing the bag and just using it for like everyday use, because it's become like a museum piece. So I believe if you have something expensive, you should be using it every day to get your money's worth. It makes you feel a lot more, your style is like elevated, and even if you're wearing like a simple outfit, it can be like your standout piece. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and comment below on what you guys actually think about the YSL Toy LouLou bag, and maybe you guys like different colorways. But like if you do have the bag, like what do you like about it, what are your dislikes about it, and what other YSL bags do you guys like, or just any other luxury bags you like in general. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.